Hello and welcome back. Just a reminder before we get started, please do like, subscribe, and share this channel with someone you think might enjoy the content. Looks like today we're doing number 210. Let's start with this box. Looks like we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 9, 9 here, so 4, 8, and an 8 here, so 4, 9. We look at this row, looks like we're missing 5, 8, and 9. Got a 5 here, so 8, 9. 5 here, so 8, 9. That means our 5 has to be here. For this column, looks like we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 and 9 here, so this is our 3. No help here, so 8, 9. If we look at this row, it looks like we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 7. 1 and 7 here, so this is our 4. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this box now, looks like we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 4 and 9 here, so this is our 8. But I don't see any other help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 2 here and a 6 here, so this is our 3. 2 and 3 here, so this is our 6, 2. For this box now, looks like we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this column now, looks like we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 9. That makes this our 8, 7. And that 8 makes this our 4, so this is our 9. If we look at this column, looks like we're missing a 1 and an 8. I don't see any help, so 1, 8, 1, 8. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 6. No help here, 3, 4, 6. And no help here, 3, 4, 6. If we look at this row, we're missing a 1, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 and 8 here, so this is our 1. 7 here, so 8, 7. That 8 makes this our 9, 8. That 8 makes this our 9. For this box now, we're missing a 1 and a 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. And for this box, looks like we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. That 9 makes this our 4, 9. For this column now, looks like we're just missing a 6. And for this box then, we're missing a 4 and an 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. That 8 makes this our 1, 8. And then we can get rid of this 6, this 4. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 2 and 8 here, so this is our 1. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this column now, we're missing a 1 and a 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. For this column, looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 2 and 7 here, so this is our 3. 2 here, so 7, 2. That 3 makes this our 6. So this is our 4 and our 3. And to finish off this box, looks like we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 and 6 here, so this is our 4. 6 here, so 5 and 6. All right, that'll do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.